All right, so in this video, we are adding fractions. So we have 2/3 plus 7/12. One of the most important things to remember and acknowledge when we are adding fractions is the fact that in order to add our fractions and combine them, we have to have a common denominator. So that means that our denominators have to be the same. So in this situation, we have 2/3 plus 7/12, or 7/12. We have 12 over here as our denominator in this second fraction, and 3 over here as our denominator in this first fraction. Instead of necessarily doing, 12 times 3 and 3 times 12 to get a common denominator, we could, let me go ahead and erase that, see right away that this is 12 and 3 actually goes into 12 4 times. So all we need to do to make this 3 a 12 and have that common denominator is multiply this 3 by 4. So when we do that, we'll get 12. But one thing that's very important to remember is what we do to the denominator, we must do to the numerator. So if we're multiplying our denominator by 4, we have to do the same to our numerator. Once we do that, we get a fraction of, so 4 times 2 we know is 8, and 4 times 3, as we just discussed, that is 12. So this is our new fraction, and again, we're adding that to this fraction down here, which will leave the exact same, which is just 7/12. So now that we have that, we have the same denominator, common denominators, 12 and 12. So now that we have that, we know we are good. Once we have our common denominator, that denominator stays the same. So this is just 12. We're not necessarily going to add this straight across, 12 plus 12, and this becomes a 24. This is just 12. But we are going to add the numbers that we have up here, 8 and 7. So 8 and 7 gives us 15. So as you can see, our numerator in this situation is greater than our denominator, which means we have an improper fraction. I'm going to be doing a video explaining how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, so definitely stay on the lookout for that. So we have 15/12, but another thing to notice is the fact that this can still be simplified as an improper fraction. So we have 15/12, and we see that both numbers are divisible by 3. We can say that our GCF of both numbers, hopefully you can see that, is 3. So what we're gonna do then is we're gonna take our GCF and we're gonna divide that by the numerator and the denominator. And so 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so this would be our final answer. 5/4. It's very important to make sure that we are simplifying our answer. It's super easy to get to this point and be like, okay, I'm done, but always make sure and remember to simplify. Again, this is written as an improper fraction. If you would like to learn how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers, definitely stay tuned because I'll be making a lesson or a mini video on that, but in this video, we're just gonna leave our answer in this form as an improper fraction with our numerator being greater than our denominator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.
Wait, before you leave, go ahead and check out these lessons up above. You can watch this lesson, or you can watch that one, or you can watch both. Oh, and while you're at it, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do so by clicking out of this video and hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.